Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Capital login error in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. Open another app or website to confirm your connection is stable. Step 2. Verify your login details. Carefully re-enter your email and password. Check for typing errors. Make sure caps lock is off. If you forgot your password, tap forgot password and reset it. Step 3. Restart the Capital app. Close the app completely. Wait a few seconds. Then reopen it and try logging in again. This can fix temporary glitch. Step 4. Update the app. Using an outdated version may cause login issues. Open the App Store or Google Play Store, then search for Capital. Now install any available updates. Step 5. Disable VPN or security apps. Some VPNs or security apps can block login requests. Turn them off temporarily and try logging in again. Step 6. Contact Capital support. If none of those steps work, contact Capital customer support. Provide your email and details about the error message for faster help. And that's how you can fix Capital login error. And that's it. I've liked this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.